Welcome to my channel. My name's Carly Bartle. I'm your independent Scentsy consultant here in Perth, Australia, and I'm here today to teach you how to clean your Scentsy diffuser. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you soon. So my name is Carly Bartle and I am your independent Scentsy consultant, and I am going to give you a top tip. So today I'm going to talk to you all about our diffusers, but I'm going to give you a little bit of care with regards to the diffusers. And some of you may or may not know this, and it's not just Scentsy diffusers. If you own a diffuser, this is applicable to any diffuser with any company or any shop that you've purchased from, on how to look after it and make sure that it lasts as long as possible. So we have two different types of diffuser. We have a deluxe, hi Lynn, we have a deluxe diffuser, and then we have a premium diffuser, which looks like this. We've got lots of different shades, but this is just one of the shades that we have. But they all are, they all have the same base, the premium diffusers, and then you just choose the shade to go with it. So they're the two different types of diffusers, and you look after them very similarly, I can never say it. You look after them the same, okay? So you look after them the same, but it is something that you should be doing. So if you're not cleaning and maintaining your diffuser, you're really missing out on longevity with it. So luckily, for all of you that have Scentsy diffusers, they come with a lifetime warranty. So if they stop working, we do replace them, but it is down to you to make sure that you look after them. So that means that you should be cleaning them in between every use, and you should also be looking at deep cleaning them approximately about once a month. Okay, so, and that is with the deluxe diffuser, the premium diffuser, with any diffuser that you buy. So if you've bought one from another shop, from Dusks or Kmart or anything, if you look after your diffuser will look after you. That's so cheesy, isn't it? But it's totally true. So in between each, I'll show you sort of the insides of the diffusers as well so you can see them. So like I said, this is the shade for the premium diffuser. I'm just taking that off. They've all got a base like this, the teardrop base, so they're all the same. And then the the deluxe diffuser has got a bigger base as well, okay? Now you'll see mine are definitely ready for a deep clean, because it has been more than a month since I've done this premium diffuser, for sure. And if you can see here, inside you've got that ring, and it's got like a little lip in it, and underneath that, same with the deluxe, underneath both of these there is a ceramic plate. So that's actually what diffuses the oil, which sends the steam up, okay? So once your diffuser runs out, once the water's gone, you should be taking cotton wool and giving it a wipe round and getting rid of any residue, because if you have water and oil sitting in the diffuser base, it's gonna clog up, and it's gonna stop your diffuser actually diffusing properly, okay? So cotton wool, rub it throughout so it's nice and dry, and then this little centre bit here, you can get a Q-tip and try and get under the lip, because oil will sit there, okay? So that's in between each one. Like I said, these have got a lifetime warranty. You pay a lot of money for these diffusers. The premium diffusers can go for $254. Deluxe diffuser for 110. So you want to make sure that you're looking after it and you're getting the very best, the very best optimum level of diffusing out of your machines. Because if it gets clogged up, it's not going to diffuse properly. And I actually had this happen to one of my diffusers where it stopped diffusing. So yes, Scentsy replaced it, but if we look after it, it's going to last us long. You haven't got to worry about getting it changed, all that sort of stuff. And if you've bought a Dusk one or a Kmart one, then there's nothing you can do about it. So using these little tips is going to make your diffuser, is going to help your diffuser last for a lot longer. So yeah, so you get your Q-tips, you get your cotton wool, and you clean it after each use. So once it's run out of water, run out of oil, it's all diffused. So for a premium diffuser, that lasts for 8 hours when it's on a low misting setting. But with the deluxe diffuser, as you can see, it's got a massive base. This one actually runs for 24 hours, so it runs for a lot longer. So in between uses, before you top it up again, give it a wipe round, get rid of the residue. Definitely when it's not being used. Mine's running pretty much all the time, this big one. but the smaller ones I don't have running all the time. So definitely in between uses, give them a wipe. So let's talk about the deep clean now. So the deep clean, like I said, you should be doing this once a month. And what you do with your premium diffuser, which is the smaller one, you take some white vinegar, 2 tablespoons white vinegar in there, fill it up with water, turn it on and let it run its cycle. It's not going to smell that nice, but it is going to clear any sort of like lodged gunky oil that's sitting underneath that ceramic base, okay? So 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, run it through. Once it's run out, wipe it over with your cotton bud and your Q-tip. Fill it again with plain water, no white vinegar, and then run it through a cycle again. So 2 cycles, one with white vinegar, one with just water, and that's just to get rid of that if there's any icky smell of white vinegar still running through it, and then that should be absolutely fine. So that's your premium diffuser, 2 tablespoons, white vinegar, water. You're ready to go. Okay, once a month. And you'll notice the difference. You will notice the difference in the misting as well. And like I said, if it's not a Scentsy diffuser, this still applies. With the deluxe diffuser, same thing, same principle, but a little bit more white vinegar, purely because the base is so big. So I would say 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. Fill it up with water, run it through that cycle, put it on the highest mist so that you run it through as quickly as possible. And then again, just run it through with plain water to get rid of that icky smell of white vinegar if there is any residue left over. Sometimes it's absolutely fine after after you've run it through the cycle. And that is it. That's how you deep clean your diffuser. Now, saying that, if your diffuser is still not working at an optimal level and it's still not diffusing like you feel like it should, then you contact me and I get it replaced for you, because you have a lifetime warranty on our products, which is one of the really, really good things about a Scentsy diffuser. Okay, like I said, if you've got another one, you can still use that deep clean and that cleaning every in between each session with the ideas that I've given you. But when you do come to replace your Kmart diffuser or your dust diffuser, do know that by investing a little bit more into one of these Scentsy ones, and they are beautiful. I mean, the premium diffusers, like, it's a statement piece for your home. When you are ready to reinvest in another diffuser, maybe spend that little bit extra to get that lifetime warranty, because it's gonna last you. And yet, like I said, if it gets clogged up, it won't diffuse properly. So before you do anything, give the white vinegar a go and see if it works. So that's it, guys. That's my top tip for you on this Friday. Sophie was going to be in the video with me. Are you coming to say hello?
Oh,
yes. Yeah, come say hello. She's very tired today. She had a late night shopping with Daddy last night because it's my birthday on Monday.
Yes, it is.
So they went out shopping and went out for a daddy-daughter date and had dinner together. So she didn't actually go to bed till 9 o'clock. So she was a little bit tired today. So she's not been on form, but she's been relaxing this afternoon. You come say hello.
Hello.
Hello. You got anything to say? Or you're just gonna blow a kiss?
Got something to say.
Oh, you've got something to say. I don't know what this is, so hang on to your hats.
Today's sponsor of the video, there is no sponsor, so just go buy Scentsy.
Oh, love you. Kiss. Thanks. Okay, Linda said hello. Lynn says hello. Okay, guys, that's my Friday top tip for you.
I just want to tell them something.
Oh, okay, quickly then, because this Friday evening we're all. What does that say?
Let me turn it around.
It's just upside down now. What does it say? It's because it's on the camera, so it turns it around.
No school!
No school, that's right. No school, baby. School's out. Right, thanks. Okay, there you go. Top tips from me. Like I said, I'm going to try and come on each Friday and give you a little tip or a little product review or something, just so that you get to see some of the products being used, or like we did tonight, some of the products being cleaned. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you clean your diffuser a completely different way, put it in the comments below and let me know what works for you. If you have a diffuser already and you didn't even know that you should be cleaning it, let me know in the comments below. But anyway, yeah, so have a beautiful evening and we will speak to you all soon. Bye.